All right, so for today's YouTube homework assignment, we have to write a rev each word in sentence function that takes a sentence of words that may or may not have a final period and which returns a sentence, each of word of which is reversed. You can assume that all letters are lowercase with no punctuation except the final period. For example, if the sentence is to be or not to be, that is the question, then the output is the reverse of that. So, and then if there is a quotation on it, again, there's no quotes. So here I have this function made. So I have a couple helper functions actually. I have a def reverse a, and then I set up a string for an empty string pretty much. And then I did for I in range of the length of a, and then the string is going to equal, so negative I and negative 1 is like the opposite, or the when you reverse. So you go negative I or negative 1. Then I'm going to return string. Then I'm going to set up the actual function, which is rev each word in sentence, and period will be set equals to false. And if sentence of negative 1, which is again I'm reversing the sentence, we're going to set that equal to a period colon. The period is going to be true, and then sentence and will equal sentence replace. So that means I'm actually replacing something in the sentence, and I'm replacing the period with the quotation marks. Temp, so the sentence split is identified by quotation marks, and if period again equals true. So the first one, if sentence equals something, the second if statement is if period equals true. I'm going to temp dot append the period, and I'm going to set s into just an empty quotes. And then I'm going to do for I in range len temp, right? And then, so if I does not equal the length of temp negative 2, again, it's the reverse. S plus equals reverse temp plus temp I plus else. So the S, well, I'm going to add the reverse plus temp, right? And I'm going to return S altogether. And then for my print statement, I'm going to call the rev each word, and I'm printing, hi, my name is Kevin. So if I just do everything saved, F5, it prints, hi, my name is Kevin, but in reverse. Now I can also do anything else and then see how the period's in front. Now I can also do another sentence stating, I had a wonderful work day. I'm going to save that real quick, and I'm going to run that as well. And again, it prints everything in reverse. This is the last YouTube statement.